Today we are going to learn about seasons. So what is season? Season is the weather in a weather change. Sometimes you feel hot, sometimes you feel cold, sometimes you feel wow, very smooth breeze. So that is spring. Sometimes we feel yeah, it's rainy, so I want to play in the rain. Yes, the rain is coming outside and I want to play in the rain. Yes. So we are going to learn 4 seasons. So first is summer. In summer, we see the sun is very bright and it's very hot. We feel like sweating all the time. Yes. And we feel like to refresh ourselves, we need something cold. That is cold milkshakes and ice creams. Everyone's favorite. Yes. And we on the fans and ACs. Yes. And we love to eat juicy fruits. We like milkshake, juices and kids' favorite, ice cream. Yes, ice cream. And we like to go for a swimming or on a beach to do enjoy. And there we put a sunglasses also. Yes. So we love to go on a beach. We wear sunglasses. We wear the caps. Yes. Summer caps. We wear the summer caps. Yes. So we love to do swimming in the summers. So summers are really very hot. So we feel energetic when we drink something cold. Yes. Like milkshakes, juices and juicy fruits. Yes. So summers are very hot. So then we will move to spring. In spring we will see beautiful flowers on the trees. Beautiful flowers with some fruits and a beautiful nature. Yes. You can see the tree is full of fruits. This tree is full of flowers and we like to pluck the fruits from the trees. So this is spring, a beautiful season. Yes, isn't it? Beautiful season with different color of flowers on it. Okay. Then we will see rainy season. Rainy season is a season we have rains. So to protect ourselves, if we want to go a market, what we will do? We will wear a raincoat. And if we are going by a walk, we can take umbrella with us. Yes, we can take umbrella with us. So that's about rainy season. We use raincoat and umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. And we can see rainbow. When there is a rain, we can see a rainbow. Yes, we use umbrella and you can make a small paper boat and you can put it in the water to enjoy. Yes, you can make some paper boats to in a still water you can put it. I used to do it. Yes, I like that. Huh? So rainy is the season with full of rains and we like to eat yummy food. Mama, today the weather is awesome. So make something special. Yes, we say like that. Yes. So, and the last one is winters. We feel very cold when we see snow. Yes, when we see snow, we feel like, oh my God, so much cold. Yes, and we wear jackets. We wear jackets and a cap. Yes, we wear cap and a jacket in winters. Yes, and we may, if we are in a snow, we make a snowman. Beautiful snowman. Yes, and we do skating in snow. Yes, and this, what is it? Yes, did you saw that? Yes, this is done in, so what is it? It's skiing. Yes, so people does in snow. Yes, and some do skating. Yes, in the snow. And in snow, we always put mask, muffler and everything. Yes, we cover ourselves fully, muffler, earmuffs. Yes, we wear everything. We cover ourselves. And in very, very cold places, polar bear we found. Yes. So, these are about winters. And we put fire also. To protect ourselves, sometimes we wear everything, but we still feel cold. So, we put fire. Yes, we put fire in that place and we have the heat. So, we don't feel much cold. So, this is all about winters. So, winter is a season where we used to wear jackets, caps, muffler, earmuffs to protect ourselves from winters. And it's a very, very lovely season. Yes. So, this is all about seasons, kids. So, we will learn more. Okay. See you. Bye-bye. Enjoy the 4 seasons. Summer, winter, rainy and spring. Okay, kids. Bye-bye. Thank you.